Would you allow a med school student to perform open heart surgery on you? Hey guys, what's up? Brandon here. It's a rainy morning here in Trinidad and Tobago. Let's go. So people almost always ask me, new traders ask me, how much money should I start to trade with? And my answer is always zero. Why zero? Why should you not start to trade with any money? Let me explain. Would you allow a med school student to perform open heart surgery on you? Would you allow a pilot who is still in flight school to fly you across the world? Probably not. I want you to think about what I am trying to tell you. Lack of experience and understanding wouldn't give you the desired result that you're looking for. So trusting someone who doesn't necessarily understand what it is they are doing to do something for you is actually kind of counterproductive. Similarly, as a trader, if you don't understand how to trade, should you be using live money? I mean, think about it realistically. You are essentially trying to trade an industry or try to trade within a market where you don't even understand the ins and the outs, the ups and the downs. You don't understand the intricacies of Forex. And you wouldn't get the result that you're looking for because you don't know what is the result or how to attain the result, I should say. Way too many people are too eager to make money, and not enough people are eager enough to learn how to do it. There's enough free information that goes around. Do your research before you make any decisions, because in doing your research, you're going to get the most amount of information to use at your disposal. And that gives you the best potential probability of success, as opposed to just jumping in, putting money in a broker and starting to trade like you're going mad. My apologies for having such a short video today, and also my apologies again for not posting anything yesterday. I really wasn't feeling well, and I figured instead of trying to force and do a video, just doing its sake, I said, you know what, I'll just do one the next day, which would be today. So other than that, I think I'm gonna, leave you all with this. Try to understand what you do before you try to do it. And that's essentially the message for today. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this very short video. It's not what I would usually do, but it's a message nevertheless. If you like this, be sure to hit like. Comment below if it is you agree with what I am saying here or not. And yeah, hit subscribe, ring the bell so that you can know when I do post further or future videos. And yeah, if you have any questions, again, obviously you can reach out to me at Ikata Trading, Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. See you all in the next one. Peace out, guys.